Hello students, welcome to Time online classes. Today we are going to discuss LAH4 4022053. It is a logical reasoning handout and the topic is number and letter series exercise. In our last class we discussed the basics. Now in this class we are going to discuss number and letter series exercise. Be ready with pen and paper. And in exercise, I am going to display each and every question along with the choices and the logic. Here you no need to write given question and the choices because those are already available with you in your handout. Just make a note of logic. Just copy the logic. That is enough. Okay. Let's get into the exercise. Directions for questions 1 to 30. Complete the following series. Have a look at question number 1 and try it once. (62, 79, 96, 113, 130, 147). What will come in the place of blank? Anyone? Okay, let's discuss. The given series is in the increasing pattern or in the decreasing pattern? Yes, definitely we can say that the given series is in increasing pattern. Given series is in increasing pattern. Now, what are the numbers given here? 62, 79, 96, 96, 113, 113, 130 and 147. These are the given numbers. The given series is in increasing pattern. The numbers in the series are increasing slowly or rapidly. It means one number to another number is there is a small jump or a big jump that we discussed in our last class. If the given series is increasing slowly, we will be checking logic with difference. If the given series is increasing rapidly, we will check product logic. Now here the numbers in the series are increasing slowly or rapidly. Definitely we can say that increasing slowly. If the given series is increasing slowly, we are going to apply which logic? Difference logic. We are going to apply difference logic. Now let's check with the difference logic. 62 and 77, 79. 62 and 79 increased by how much? 17. 62 and 79 difference is how much? 17. 79 and 96 difference is how much? 17. Increased by 17. 96 113 difference is how much? 17. Increased by 17. 113 130 plus 17. 130 147 plus 17. So here the constant difference is how much? 17. Each number to the next number it is increased by how much? 17. Each number is increased by 17 to get the next number. According to this logic, what should be next number? 147 plus 17. 147 plus 17 is equal to how much? 164. So choice 4 is our required answer. And what is the logic here? Increased by 17. Constant difference 17. Okay. Any confusion? The given series is increasing slowly. If it is increasing slowly, we will be applying the difference logic. So when you are checking with the difference logic, here we got the constant difference as what? 17. So apply the same logic to get the next number. What is the next number in the series? 164. Okay. Don't copy the question and the choices. Just make a note of logic. I will erase the link. 62 plus 17, 79. 79 plus 17, 96. 96 plus 17, 113. 113 plus 17, 130. 130 plus 17, 147. And the difference is 17. So applying the same logic, 147 plus 17 is 164. That is choice 4. 164. Small correction, it is 164. Choice 4. Choice 4. They're clear, right? Okay. Now move to question number 2. What are the given numbers? 76, 74, 71, 66, blank, 48, 35. Try it once. Try to identify what will come in the place of blank. It is very easy question. I hope you will get correct answer. 76, 74, 71, 66, blank, 48, 35. The given series is in increasing pattern or decreasing pattern? Yes. What is that? Decreasing pattern. Given series is in decreasing pattern. It's fine. Given series is in decreasing pattern. Now, is it decreasing slowly or rapidly? It means one number to another number, there is a small jump or a big jump. Definitely we can say that there is a small jump. If it is small jump, it is nothing but increasing slowly. If it is increasing slowly, which logic we will apply? Difference logic. 76 and 74. Difference is how much? 2. Reduced by 2. 74, 71. Reduced by how much? 3. 74, 71. Difference is 3. 71, 66. Reduced by 5. Now observe the pattern. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. Okay, something is missing here. Fine, we'll discuss that later. 48 and 35 reduced by how much? 13. Now look at here. We are missing with the two elements here. I mean difference. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, dash, dash, minus 13. What is this classification 2, 3, 5? 2, 3, 5 we get consecutively in which pattern? Prime numbers pattern. So minus 2, minus 3, minus 5. If it is a prime number logic, then it should be minus 7. Now, if it is a minus 7, the next difference should be minus 11. We need to cross check both. Now, apply that logic. Minus 7. 66 minus 7 is how much? 59. Is there any option available? Yes, 59 is available. But we need to cross check with the minus 11 whether it is matching with the 48 or not. 59 minus 11 is how much? 48, perfectly matching. So, our answer 59 is absolutely right, and the choice is 3. And the logic is difference is consecutive prime numbers in the decreasing order. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 11, minus 13. Consecutive prime numbers in increasing order. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 11, minus 13. Okay, make a note of logic. 76 minus 2 is 74. 74 minus 3 is 71. 71 minus 5, 66. 66 minus 7 is 59. So that is perfectly matching with our third option. We may cross check. 59. 59 minus 11 is 48. Yes, absolutely correct. 48 minus 13, 35. It is already given. So what is the missing number in the series? 59. And the logic is consecutive prime numbers. Successive prime numbers are subtracted from the number. Successive prime numbers are subtracted from the number. And the choice is 3. Note down the logic. I will wait for some time. Successive prime numbers are subtracted from the number. Minus 2, minus 3, minus 5, minus 7, minus 11, minus 13. And the missing number is 59. Okay? Now, question number 3. 169, 121, 49, 25, 9. Please try to recognize these numbers. In our basics class, we discussed these numbers so many number of times. 169, 121, 49, 25, 9. Anyone? Yes. What is the logic? Perfect squares. Good. Now, 9 is which number square? 3 square. 25, 5 square. 49, 7 square. 121, 11 square. 169, 13 square. So, these advantage. By looking at the given series, if you can recognize the numbers, identifying the logic will be very easy. If you can identify the logic very easy, quickly we can answer the question also. So these are advantage. That's why we discussed in the last class, and I told in the last class to by heart prime numbers, squares, as well as the cubes. These three are very, very important for us. Okay, as far as number series topic is considered. So please try to by heart at least now. Now 169 is 13 square, 121 11 square, 49 is 7 square, 25 is 5 square and 9 is 3 square. It's fine. Logic is square. But what are the given numbers? 13, 11, 7, 5, 3. It comes under which classification? These numbers comes under which classification? 13, 11, 7, 5, 3. Prime numbers. You may say, sir, why not it is odd numbers? Between 13 and 11, no odd number is missing. But between 11 and 7, 9 is missing. Have you observed that? Between 11 and 7, which is missing? 9 is missing. That's why it is not consecutive odd numbers. It is consecutive prime numbers logic. So, after 3 in the decreasing order, which is the prime number? 2. And the 2 square is 4. Choice 1. If you go with the reverse order from right hand side, 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 11 square, 13 square. Consecutive prime number squares. Squares of consecutive prime numbers. And the answer is choice 1. 169 is 13 square, 121 is 11 square, 49 7 square, 25 5 square, and the 9 is 3 square. 13, 11, 7, 5, 3 are what? Consecutive prime numbers in decreasing order starting from 13. So, after 3 in decreasing order, 2. So, 2 square is 4. Make a note of logic. Squares of consecutive prime numbers in decreasing order starting with 13. Squares of consecutive prime numbers in decreasing order starting with 13. So, please try to recognize the numbers. If you can recognize the numbers quickly, you can identify the logic quickly. Okay? And the choice is 1. Let's move to question number 4. Completed noting? Okay. Let's move to question number 4. 8, 27, 125, 343. Try to recognize this pattern. Try to recognize the numbers. 8, 27, 125, 343. Anyone? Yes. What are these numbers? Perfect cubes. 8 is which number cube? 2 cube. And 27 is 3 cube. 27 is 3 cube. 125, 5 cube. 343, 7 cube. 2 cube, 5 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, and 7 cube. Logic is cube. Fine. What are the given numbers? Which number cubes? 2 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, 7 cube. 2, 3, 5, 7. It comes under which classification? 2, 3, 5, 7. Prime numbers classification. 2, 3, 5, 7 are consecutive prime numbers. So, after 7 prime number is 11. And the logic applied is cube. So, 11 cube, 1331. Choice 3. Consecutive prime number cubes. Starting from 2. 8 is 2 cube, 27 3 cube, 125 5 cube, 343 7 cube. And 2, 3, 5, 7 are consecutive prime numbers. So, after 7, 11. 11 cube is 1331. Consecutive prime numbers in increasing order starting with 2. Cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, 7 cube, 11 cube. And the choice 3. So, please copy the logic. 2 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, 7 cube, 11 cube. Cubes of consecutive prime numbers in increasing order starting with 2. You are clear, right? Shall we go ahead? Good. Now move to question number 5. 4, 27, 25, 343, 121, blank 289. Can you able to recognize these numbers? 4, 27, 25, 343, 121, blank 289. Anyone? Just now we discussed 343 as 7 cube, 27 3 cube. In previous question we discussed, and we know that 25 is 5 square, 25 5 square, and 4 2 square. Now once observe the pattern: 2 square 3 cube, 5 square 7 cube, 2 3 5 7. Again comes under which classification? 2 3 5 7. Definitely prime numbers classification. Fine. Now let's check the remaining numbers. 7 cube. 121 is 11 square. Now, here is a missing one. Fine. And 289 is 17 square. Now, observe the pattern. 2 square, 3 cube, 5 square, 7 cube, 11 square, blank, 17 square. Now, first number is a square and second number is cube. Square, cube, square, cube, square. Now, next should be cube. So, definitely next number will be of cube. No, but which number cube? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Consecutive prime numbers. So, after 11, 13. and after 13, 17 it is given. So 13 cube. What is 13 cube? 2197. Alternately squares are taken and alternately cubes are taken. But the numbers are consecutive prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. 2 square, 3 cube, 5 square, 7 cube, 11 square, 13 cube, 17 square. 218, 9. Okay. So please copy logic. 2 square, 3 cube, 5 square, 7 cube. 4 is 2 square, 27 is 3 cube, 25 is 5 square, and 343 is 7 cube, 121 is 11 square. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Next must be definitely 13. And if you observe the logic, alternately square and alternately cube logic is applied. 2 square, 3 cube, 5 square, 7 cube, 11 square, and then definitely will be 13 cube and 17 square. 13 cube is 2197. The squares and cubes of successive prime numbers. Squares and then cubes of successive prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. Choice 3. Any confusion? That's great. Two square, 3 cube, 5 square, 7 cube, 11 square, 13 cube, 17 square. Completed noting? Shall we move to next question? Okay. Question number 6. Again, 121, 125, 134, 150, 171, 211. By looking at the number 121, I recognize that number as 11 square. And by looking at 125, I recognize it as 5 cube. But later 134, 150, 175, 211 are neither square nor cubes. So I need to omit that logic. It cannot be definitely a squares and cubes logic. But think in another way. The given series is in increasing pattern or decreasing pattern? Increasing pattern. Increasing slowly or rapidly? Slowly. One number to another number, there is a small jump. Increasing slowly. So which logic we will apply? Difference logic. Now check with the difference logic. 121, 125. How much is the difference? 4. Okay, fine. 125, 134. How much is the difference? 9. What are these numbers? 4, 9. 4 is what? 2 square. 9 is 3 square. 2 square, 3 square. Now let's check the next one. 134, 150. How much is the difference? 16, which is 4 square. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. Where we get 2, 3, 4 consecutively in which number classification? Only in the natural number classification. So next must be 5 square and then next must be 6 square. Whether it is correct or wrong, we'll cross check if you want. 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 2, 3, 4 are the consecutive natural numbers. So after 4 must be what? 5 and then next must be what? 6. Let's cross check it. 150, 175 is difference 25, which is equal to how much? 5 square. So it is confirmed. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, consecutive natural numbers. And next is 175, 211, difference is how much? 36. 36 is which number square? 6 square. So 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square. So what I can say confirmly here, difference is squares of natural numbers. Difference is squares of natural numbers. So after 6, 7, and the logic applied is 7 square. So 7 square is 49. So 211 plus 49 is how much? 260. Choice 2. And the logic is difference is squares of consecutive natural numbers. Any confusion? No. Okay. Please copy the logic. 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. And next will be 211 plus 49, 260. 4 is 2 square. 4 is nothing but 2 square. 9 is nothing but 3 square. 16 is nothing but 4 square. 25, 5 square. 36, 6 square. 49, 7 square. Consecutive natural number squares. The question may be asked with difference is squares of natural numbers or even numbers or odd numbers or prime numbers or composite numbers or non-prime numbers, consecutive natural even numbers, consecutive odd numbers, consecutive prime numbers, or alternate even numbers, alternate odd numbers, alternate prime numbers. The question may be asked in any way. So recognizing the numbers and identifying the logic is very, very important for us. Okay. The difference are squares of consecutive natural numbers. Choice 2. 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square. Consecutive natural numbers. Completed? Oh, no. Let's move to question number 7. No, please don't wait for me to copy the notes. While I'm explaining, please try to copy the notes. Okay? Oh, no. What are the given numbers? 14, 15, 23, 50, 114, 239, 455. Now look at the numbers. 14 and 15. How much is the difference? 1. 15, 23. How much is the difference? 8. 23, 50. How much is the difference? 27. 1, 8, 27. 50 and 114. How much is the difference? 64. What are these numbers? 1, 8, 27, 64. 1 is 1 cube. 1 is 1 cube. 8, 2 cube. 27, 3 cube. 64, 4 cube. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. What is the classification? I mean, which classification it comes under? 1, 2, 3, 4 consecutive natural numbers. So next must be 5 cube. How much is 5 cube? 125. So 114 plus 125, perfectly 239. Now after 5 it should be what? 6 cube. 6 cube is 216. 239 plus 216 is perfectly 455. It is okay. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what should be next? 7. 7 cube. And 7 cube is how much? 343. So 445 plus 343, which is equal to how much? 798. Choice 2. Difference is cubes of consecutive natural numbers. Difference is cubes of consecutive natural numbers. So copy the logic. 14 plus 1, which is 1 cube. 15. 15 plus 8, which is 2 cube. So 15 plus 8, 23. 23 plus 27, which is 3 cube. So 23 plus 27, 50. 50 plus 64, which is 4 cube. So 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. Consecutive natural numbers. Next will be 125. So 114 plus 125, 239. So 5 cube is over. Next will be 6 cube. So 239 plus 216, which is 6 cube, 455. So finally 7 cube. So 455 plus 343, which is 7 cube, equal to 798. Choice 2. Cubes of consecutive natural numbers starting with 1 are added in increasing order. Cubes of consecutive natural numbers starting with 1 are added in increasing order. 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube. To get 798. Choice 2. Choice 2. Did you complete noting? Good. Now, you are clear, right? You are able to understand what we are discussing, right? Okay. Now move to question number 8. 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Can you recognize these numbers? 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Any one of you able to recognize these numbers? 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Yes. What are these numbers? Consecutive prime numbers. 29, next prime number is 31, 31 next prime number 37, 37 next prime number 41, 41 next prime number 43, next prime number 47, and then next will be 53. Successive prime numbers starting from 29. Successive prime numbers starting from 29 are given in increasing order, and the choice is 1. Successive prime number starting from 29. So this is advantage. If you by heart those numbers, space, prime numbers and cubes, by looking at the series, you can recognize the numbers quickly, right? Let's move to question number 9. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Can you recognize these numbers? 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Here you can observe the one pattern. 8, 9, 10 are taken consecutively. Between 6 and 8, which is missing? 7 is missing. Okay, fine. Between 4 and 6, which is missing? 5 is missing. Okay, fine. Between 1 and 4, which are missing? Which numbers are missing? 2 and 3 are missing. What are the missing numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. What are the missing numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7. So missing numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. Nothing but prime numbers. If the missing numbers are prime numbers, definitely the given numbers are what? Non-prime numbers, because 1 is given. If 1 is not given, you may say that as a composite numbers also, but 1 is given. So we can say it as only non-prime numbers. So 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10 are what? Consecutive non-prime numbers. So after 10, if I take 11, it will become prime number. But our pattern should be consecutive non-prime numbers. So what is our required answer? 12. Consecutive non-prime numbers. One is neither prime nor composite. That's why we are saying this pattern as what? Non-prime numbers. Consecutive non-prime numbers. 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Next will be 12. And the logic is consecutive non-prime numbers starting with 1 in increasing order. Consecutive prime numbers. Choice 2. 12. Consecutive non-prime numbers starting with 1 in increasing order. Okay, consecutive non-prime number starting with 1 in increasing order. You got the difference between the non-prime numbers and composite numbers, right? The numbers which are not prime, we may call it as non-prime numbers or we may call it as composite numbers. But when you are calling it as a composite numbers, remember that 1 is neither a prime nor composite. Okay. Move to question number 10. 2, 2, 4, 12, 48, 240. The given numbers are in increasing pattern or decreasing pattern? Definitely you can say that increasing pattern. Increasing slowly or rapidly? Increasing rapidly. 48 to 40, there is much difference. I mean, big jump. 12 and 48, there is a big jump. Okay. So you can confirm that the given series is increasing rapidly. If the given series is increasing rapidly, which logic we are going to apply? Product logic that we discussed. If the given series is increasing slowly, difference logic. If the given series is increasing rapidly, we will apply product logic. Now here which logic we are going to apply? Product logic, because the given series is increasing rapidly. 48 to 40, maximum how many times it goes for? 5 times. 12 and 48, maximum it goes how many times? 4 times. 4 and 12, maximum it goes how many times? 3 times. 2 and 4, 2 times. 2 and 2, 1 time. Into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5. What are these numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Consecutive natural numbers. So after 5 will be 6. So our required answer will be 240 into 6. How to do 240 into 6? Split it. 240. So 200, 6 are 1200. 46 are 240. Altogether 1440. Choice 1. And the logic is into 1, into 2, into 3, into 4, into 5, and next will be into 6, because the logic is consecutive natural number. Sorry, consecutive natural numbers multiplied with consecutive natural numbers. Into 1, 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 4, 48, 48 into 5, 240, and to get the answer, 240 into 6, which is 1440. Choice 1. Note down. Into 1, 2, into 4, into 3, into 4, into 5, into 6. Consecutive natural numbers. Okay. Move to question number 11. 2, 4, 12, 60, 420. The given series is in. Okay, try it once. Before discussion, try it once. Try to get the answer for this question. Anyone? 2, 4, 12, 60, 420. Okay, tell me. The given series is an increasing pattern or decreasing pattern? Increasing pattern. Increasing slowly or rapidly? You must have understood. how to identify increasing slowly and how to identify increasing rapidly. Small jump and big jump. 64, 20 big jump, 12 and 60 big jump. So it is increasing rapidly. Increasing rapidly, which logic we will apply? Product logic. Increasing rapidly, which logic we will apply? Product logic. Now apply the product logic. 64, 20 maximum how many times? 7 times. 12 and 60 goes maximum how many times? 5 times. 12 5 is 60. 4 and 12 maximum 3 times. 4 3 is 12. 2 and 4 2 times. Now observe the pattern. Into 2, into 3, into 5, into 7. What are these numbers? 2, 3, 5, 7? Yes, again consecutive prime numbers. 2, 3, 5, 7. So next will be 11. Next will be 11. So 420 into 11. How to calculate it? 420 multiplied for 10 times and 420 one more time. So 420 into 10, 4200 plus 420 into 1, 420. Altogether 4620. Choice 3. So our required answer is choice 3. And the logic is into 2, into 3, into 5, into 7 consecutive prime numbers. After 7, 11 is the prime number. Okay. Copy the logic. 2 into 2, 4, into 3, 12, into 5, 60, into 7, 420, and to get the answer, 420 into 11, which is 4620. Choice 3. Into 2, into 3, into 5, into 7, into 11. Completed? Shall I move to next question? Okay. Now, move to question number 12. 2, 8, 3, 27, 4, 64, 5. When I am reading these numbers, are you able to recognize those numbers? 2, 8, 3, 27, 4, 64, 5, blank. 2, 8, 3, 27, 4, 64. Anyone? Any idea? At least recognize the 27. 27 is which number? We can consider it as 3 cube. We can write it as 3 cube. 64 can be written as 4 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube. Now observe the pattern. 2, 2 cube. 3, 3 cube. 4, 4 cube. Next should be 5. Missing should be 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. Absolutely matching with the third option. 2, 2 cube. 3, 3 cube. 4, 4 cube. 5, 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. Given numbers are 2, 8, 3, 27, 4, 64, 5. 2, 8 is 2 cube. 3, 27 is 3 cube. 4, 64 is 4 cube. 5, next will be 5 cube. 125. Choice 3. You are clear, right? Any confusion? Good. Now move to question number 13. Thirteen, 47, 17, 43, 19, 41, 23, 37, 29. Now we discuss one point in our basics class. If more number of numbers are given in the series, which logic we can apply? We may go ahead with the logic alternate series. Here also more number of numbers are appeared in the sequence in the series. So we may go ahead with the what? Alternate series logic. Alternate series. Look at that. 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. What are these numbers? 13, 17, 19, 23, 29. Consecutive prime numbers. Consecutive prime numbers. But anyway, our answer blank space is not related to that. So check the second alternate pair. 47, 43, 41, 37. What are these numbers? 47, 43, 41, 37. These numbers are also successive prime numbers in the decreasing order. 47, 43, 41, 37. So what is the next prime number in the decreasing order? 31. Choice 4. Successive prime numbers, and the logic applied is alternate logic. 13, 17, 19, 23, 29 are consecutive prime numbers. Every alternate number starting with 13 are consecutive prime numbers in increasing order, that we know already. Now what are the next numbers? 47, 43, 41, 37. Consecutive prime numbers in decreasing order starting from 47. That is, and what is the required answer will be? 31. Every alternate number starting with 47 are consecutive prime numbers in decreasing order. And every alternate number is starting with 13 are consecutive prime numbers here. Consecutive prime number starting from 13. And here starting from 47 consecutive prime numbers in decreasing order. According to that pattern, what is our required answer is 31. Choice 4. So if more number of numbers are given, try to apply alternate logic. Okay? Alternate series logic. Please write quickly notes. Move to question number 14. 4, 9, 13, 22, 35, 57. 4, 9, 13, 22, 35, 57. Right once. 4, 9, 13, 22, 35, 57. Anyone? No. It's okay, don't worry. It is a typical logic. I'll explain you the logic. What are the first given two numbers? 4 and 9. 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Third number. Sum of the previous two numbers is the next number. Sum of the first two numbers is the third number, which is called Fibonacci series logic. Now next two numbers are 9 and 13. 9 plus 13, 22. So matching. So next will be 13 plus 22. Fibonacci series logic. 13 plus 22 is equal to 35. Now 35, it is matching. Next will be 22 plus 35. Sum of the two consecutive numbers will be equal to the next number. Sum of the two consecutive numbers will be equal to the next number. So 22 plus 35, 57. It is also given. So what should be next? 35 plus 57 is the required answer. 35 plus 57, which is equal to how much? 92. Choice 2. Fibonacci series logic. Sum of the given two consecutive numbers will be equal to the, two successive numbers in the given series equal to the next number. Okay. So please note down the logic. I will erase the ink. The given 13 can be written as sum of 4 plus 9, and the 22 can be written as 9 plus 13. 9 plus 13, and the 22 can be 35 can be written as 13 plus 25, and the 57 can be written as 22 plus 35, and next will be 35 plus 57, which is 92. Fibonacci series. This is a Fibonacci series. Every term except the first two is obtained by adding the previous two terms. Sum of the previous two terms equal to third term. 4 plus 9, 13. 9 plus 13, 22. 13 plus 22, 35. 22 plus 35, 57. Sum of the previous two terms is equal to the third term. And answer is 92. Okay. Fibonacci series. Move to question number 15. 1, 3, 7, 15, 31, 63. Of the given numbers increasing slowly or rapidly, the given series is increasing rapidly. Because 31 to 63, big jump, 15 to 31, big jump. Almost it is double. So it is a big jump. So if it is double or closest to double, we can say it as what? Big jump. Now 31, 63, maximum goes for how many times? 2 times. 31 to the 62. But the given number is 63. So how much it is more than that by 1. So in which pattern I can write? Into 2 plus 1. But we need to confirm that whether it is correct or not. 15, 31. Maximum is goes for how many times? 2 times. 15 to the 30. But the given number is 31. So how much it is more than that by 1. Into 2 plus 1. It is fine. Absolutely matching. 7 and 15. Again we can write in the form of what? Into 2 plus 1. 7 to the 14 plus 1. 15. 3 and 7. Again 3 to the 6 plus 1. 7. Perfectly matching. 1 and 3. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 1 3, perfectly matching. So 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 into 2 plus 1 is 7, 7 into 2 plus 1 is 15, 15 into 2 plus 1 31, 31 into 2 plus 1 63. So what will be the next number? 63 into 2 plus 1, 63 into 2 126 plus 1 127. So what is our required answer? 127, and it is in choice 2. So please note down the logic. 1 into 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 into 2 plus 1 is 7, 7 into 2 plus 1 15, 15 into 2 plus 1 31, 31 into 2 plus 1 63, and to get the answer 63 into 2 plus 1, which is 127. Choice 2. And the logic is into 2 plus 1. Each number is multiplied with 2 and added with 1 to get the next number. Okay? Now, move to question number 16. 123, 369, 91,827. Next is again very big number. 2,75,481. Again the next one is very much big number. 8 crores, 11,62,243. Definitely that much big numbers will be not that that much big number will not be given in the exam, because I mean they won't give this type of numbers in product logic. So there will be some pattern will be there, with that pattern to be identified by us. Okay, let us identify that pattern. Okay, now observe the numbers, observe the pattern. First number 1, 3, 9, 27 and 81. Can we say that 1 into 3 is 3 and 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 81. Yes, perfectly. 1 into 3 3, 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 81, 91, sorry 9, 27, 81, 3 1. Okay, fine. Now let us look at the second numbers, I mean second elements. 2 6 again into 3, 6 18 again into 3, 2 3 is a 6, 6 3 is a 18, 18 3 is a 54, perfectly matching. 54 3 is a 162, again perfectly matching. Again what is the logic is into 3. Now look at the third set of numbers, 3 and 9 again into 3, 3 and 9 again into 3. Once I'll erase the ink. 3 and 9 into 3, 9 and 27 into 3, into 3, 27 into 3, 81, perfectly matching. 81 into 3, 243. So what is the pattern is into 3 into 3 into 3. Now how these numbers are considered? Now let's check that one. First numbers 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. This taken as a one group. 1, 3, 9, 27, 81. 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27 into 3, 81. Now 81 into 3, 243. Okay, our answer must start with 243. Okay, fine. It is not the third option, it's not the fourth option, it's fine. Now let's look at the logic in the second group. 2 into 3 6, yes. 6 into 3 18, yes. 18 into 3 54, 54 into 3 162, perfectly matching with the given series. Now 162 into 3, 162 into 3 must be 486. So what is our answer? It is not the choice 2, it must be choice 1, 486. Okay, 162 into 3, 486. Now let us look at the logic in the third group. 3 into 3, 9, yes. 9 into 3, 27, 27 into 3, 81, 81 into 3, 243. Now 243 into 3 will be 729. So what is our required answer? 243, 486, 729. 243, 486, 729. And matching with perfectly with which option? First option. Okay. So please note on the logic. Choice 1. I'll wait for some time. Please note on the logic. The given series is separated in this way. 1, 2, 3, 3, 6, 9, 9, 18, 27, 27, 54, 81. It is separated like 27, 54, 81, 81, 162, 243. And the correct answer is choice 1. Okay. Now let's move to question number 70. Completed, right? Now what are the given numbers? 3375, 2197, 1331, 729. What are these numbers? 3375, 2197, 1131, 729. Can you recognize these numbers? 15 cube, 13 cube, 11 cube, and 729 is 9 cube. In the decreasing order, it will be 7 cube, which is 343. It's fine. Okay. Consecutive odd numbers in decreasing order. Now, under root of 8, 27, 125, 343. Forget about the root. 8 can be written as 2 cube. This 8 can be written as 2 cube. 27, 3 cube. 125, 5 cube. 343, 7 cube. Now once observe the pattern. 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. What is this pattern? Consecutive prime numbers. So next to 7 will be 11. Now 11 cube. 11 cube is 1331 under root of. So what is your answer must be? 343 plus root of 1331. Which option is matching with this? Choice 4. Okay. The given series, it is separated like this: 3375, 8 cube, 2197, 27, 11331, 125, 729, and 343. Okay. There is not much importance for root as well as plus. Okay. It is one of the pattern in series. So note down the logic. 3375, 2197, 27. 1331, 729. These numbers are 15 cube, 13 cube, 11 cube, 9 cube. So consecutive odd numbers. So after 9, 7 in the decreasing order. So 343. So we got first number 343. Okay. Now next, second set of numbers. 8, 27, 125, 343. So 2 cube, 3 cube, 5 cube, 7 cube. So 2, 3, 5, 7 are consecutive prime numbers. So next will be root of 11 cube. Under root of 11 cube, under root of 1331. So together 343 plus 1331 root of. So which option? Choice 4. Okay. Don't get confused. What is the plus and what is the square root? There is not much importance for those two symbols. Okay, those two operators. Consecutive odd numbers in decreasing order starting from 15 and consecutive prime numbers in increasing order starting from 2. So finally 7 cube plus under root of 11 cube. 343 plus under root of 11 cube, that is 1331. Okay. Now move to question number 18. 123, 6, 234, 24, 345, 60, 456, 120, 561 and blank. Okay. It is also bit typical logic and it also comes under the digit logic questions. Okay. What is the digit logic means? What is the given number here? 6, right? This number obtained by doing the product of these 3 digits. 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3. 1 into 2 into 3. Given number is 123 and product of the digits in the number 123 is 1 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. 1 into 2 into 3 is equal to 6. And what is the next number given? 234. What are the product of the digits in the number 234? 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24, which is the given number. Now what is the next number? 345. So now it should be product of 3 into 4 into 5. So 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. It is a now 456. 4 into 5 into 6. 4 5s are 20 and 26 are 120. Perfectly matching. Now what should be next? 5 into 6 into 7. 5 into 6 is 30. 5 into 6 30. 6 into 7 30 into 7 210. Choice 3. Okay. Product of the digits. Second number is obtained by doing the product of the digits in the first number. Okay. Note on the logic. 123 is 6. 6 is nothing but product of the digits of the previous number. 1 into 2 into 3. 24 is nothing but product of the digits of the previous number. 2 into 3 into 4. Similarly, 60 is 3 into 4 into 5. And 120 is 4 into 5 into 6. Okay. Now next should be 567. Product of 5 into 6 into 7 will be equal to 210. 5 into 6, 30 into 7, 210. Choice 3. Product of the digits. Product of the digits in the given number is considered as the next number. 120, 1 into 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3 into 4, 24. 3 into 4 into 5, 60. 4 into 5 into 6, 120. 5 into 6 into 7, 210. And it is choice 3. Okay. Question number 90. 3, 20. Okay. Any idea? Let's see. 3 and 20 given in the brackets. 4 and 30 given in the brackets. 542, 656, 772. By looking at the numbers, I can see two logics here. Okay. But in both the logics, the answer will remain same. I'll discuss the logic which is not given here. Look at in the alternate way. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Definitely it must be what? 8. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 consecutive or natural numbers. So after 7, 8. Now another number. Another second numbers. 20 and 30 increased by 10. 30 and 42 increased by how much? 12. 42 and 56 increased by 14. 56 and 62 increased by 16. Once observe. 10, 12, 14, 16. What are these numbers? 10, 12, 14, 16. Consecutive even numbers. So after 16 will be 18. So 72 plus 18, 90. So my answer will be 8, 90. My answer will be 8, 90. And it is one of the way. Now there is another way of discussing this question. This given number 3, 20 can be written as 4 square plus 4. 3 and 4 square plus 4. Similarly, the next number can be written as 4, 5 square plus 5. 4, 5 square plus 5. 5 square plus 5 is 30. 4 square plus 4 is 16. Okay. 5, 42 can be written as, any idea? 5, 6 square plus 6. 5, 6 square plus 6 is 32. 6 square 36 plus 6, 42. Similarly, 6, 56 is nothing but 6, 7 square plus 7. Next is 7, 8 square plus 8. Next, 8, 9 square plus 9. 8, 9 square is 81 plus 9, 90. It is also matching with which option? Second option. In any of the way, our logic is correct. Okay. Either alternately 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 consecutively, or 20 to 30 plus 10, 30 to 42 plus 12, 42 to 56 plus 16, plus 14, 56 to 72 plus 16, 10, 12, 14, 16 are consecutive even numbers. So after 16 will be 18. 72 plus 18, 90. Choice 2, 8, 90. Or the given series is in the form of n, n plus 1 whole square plus n plus 1. You may say this pattern. N plus 1 whole square plus n plus 1, where n is starting from 3. 3 plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4 square plus 3 plus 1, 4. 4 square plus 4. 4 square plus 4. The given series is in the form of, okay. So copy the logic. The given series is 3, 20, 4, 30, 5, 42, 6, 56, 7, 72. Nothing but you may write down the pattern. 3, 20 can be written as 3 plus 1 whole square plus 3 plus 1. 4, 30 can be written as 4 plus 1 whole square, that is 5 square plus 5. 42 can be written as 6 square plus 6. 56 can be written as 7 square plus 7. 72 can be written as 8 square plus 8. Similarly, 8, 90. 90 can be written as 9 square plus 9. 9 square is 81 plus 9. Or the alternate way. You may go ahead with any of the way. Okay. Note down the logic. I'll give both the logics. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 increased by 1. 12 to 10 plus 10, 30 to 42 plus 12, 42 to 56 plus 14, 56 to 72 plus 16, 10, 12, 14, 16 are consecutive even numbers. So next 72 plus 18, which is 90, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, next will be 8. So answer is 8, 90. You may note down both the logics. In both the logics, our answer remains same. Okay. In earlier case, we gone through the logic of difference. Now here we applied the logic of squares, n square plus n format. Okay. The first numbers in each form are consecutive natural numbers. N plus 1 whole square plus n plus 1 that we discussed. Okay. Thank you for joining the class. If you have any doubts, please get back to us. Have a nice day.